David.
What?
You go.
Okay, fine. What?
That was so fast.
Oh.
Wow.
Paul was like,
Yes. Very nice.
So here's the altitude. So you got your data tables out for Paul. Altitude is 38. Altitude is 38.
I remember one last year. I had to go like this.
I do that.
Okay, and Paul's time is 2.6.
I did
2.6 seconds.
I was mowing and I just about ran.
No, it was 36, Chris. That's like 90 something feet.
Dude, it didn't go 90 feet.
You don't have your paper.
Oh, crap.
Yeah, you're kind of cheating here a little bit. You're cheating yourself. Go get your paper so you can write it down.
Why'd you say?
Take a video, Chase. Take a video.
Mr. Hunter, my age is not alive, okay?
Okay, don't open them out. No, don't open it out here because I don't want to get stuff out. By the way, don't open any of your rockets out here. Ready, set, launch. Time.
Right up.
I don't.